Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, SonarQube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you. So again, I'm repeating the discussion. So if you ask me, uh, the like your websites visitors are coming from which region, which state, which country, which locality, that answer we need to know. If you want to ask, if you want to know, okay, before coming to your website, which website your user have visited, and after coming to your website, which other website they are visiting, how much time they are spending, whatever the time they are spending on your website, what they are doing it, which pages they are referring more and which pages they are referring less. Okay. Now, you can also try to find out which browser they are using, which device they are using, like a laptop, mobile, pad, or something like that. So, do you want to know all this information? All of you? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
So, in that case, you have to use the RUM. Okay. RUM is the feature to go to use that. So, where exactly you will find it? Here it is. Now, in order to get all this data, what you need to do? So you need to do one simple thing, and that is you need to add some JavaScript code to your front end. Yes, JavaScript code to your front end. Front end means the website index.html, PHP, or whatever it is. Front end code. So how do you do that? So let's get started. So here I want to have some real server, so I can record all the sessions. So I have decided I'm going to use this one, rajeshkumar.xyz. This is the one live server. I'm going to use that. So now here, now if you see that this is the website which I'm logging into it. Now I will go into this website server, and this is the very small applications. Here you have index.html. Now I'll go back to Datadog, and here I'll create applications. So create a new application. Now your application based on JS or Android, these all are front end, Android or iOS, Reactive Native, and Flutter. So all these applications right now is JS, and I'll just name it rajesh.xyz. Now you have to click on the create RUM application. The moment you create, this will create one client token so that you can use it, and done. Now this code you can use for the npm if you are using npm. This code you can use it for cdn as sync. This code you can use it for cdn sync. Now what is cdn, what is npm, what is sync async, you can understand offline. but these are the ways in which applications can run and send and receive a request. So yeah, the npm is a package manager for node, and cdm means typically, to speed up the performance of website and keeping the website closer to the user, you set up a cdn, content delivery network. So like that. So here this code, if you see that a little bit carefully, you have a client token. It's not a API token, okay? And there's some application ID. You can give the environment here. So name of service you have given already, environment, let's say prod, and some settings you have here on which that session should be recorded and all stuff like that. So that's good. I will just copy this whole things and go to my code vi index.html. That's my application production. uh, just a second, there's some file which I created, ls. So index, this is the file swap. Let me delete this. Okay, so now clear the screen, vi index.html, and now you have to be careful. So there's a new relic code already I added here. So I will delete this because I don't need this one actually. So I deleted this, done, and enter. Now I'll go and copy this code, and this is the Datadog, done, and then save it, WQ, done. Now after this, you have to access the website. So now let me ask you or help all of you. Can you please access my website so I can track and tell you what you are doing on my website on real time? Go ahead and please access my website, all of you. Yeah. So I just checked that it's already, this is refresh issue. Yeah, this is the DD. It has come here now. So yeah, can you please access all of you to my website, and I will get the data. So now setup is done. Now go to here. Now let me myself also let me do that. So I click on here. I click on here, here, here. All these experiences and so on. So now after that, let's look at this. So you'll have to wait for a little bit of time to get the data up and running. Just so click on it and see if you have changes, and here. So now you have a complete detailed about your see how many users are accessing. So if you see that there are some user which is synthetic. Remember that synthetic monitoring I created traffic, all of you. So these are the user which is synthetic, but these are the user which is a real user. And out of which I'll just track one. So let's say this user. I think this is me, and he's from Windows, Chrome from India, and something is doing on it. Still the data is coming, and you can see that replays, errors, attributes, multiple things, and so on. So still let me see the someone else here. See this is the two page loaded. This is also from Chrome and Windows. Let me check someone else. 13 sessions, out of which few sessions from synthetic and few is a real user. And now I think done. So now let's look at the dashboard, and you see the lots of knowledge about this about your user you have. So total number of sessions 9, session duration, these are all the auto populated dashboard. Session duration, page visited per session, number of unique users. Right now no data, it will take some time. Live user session by browser. So look at this: Firefox 3 user, Edge 2, Safari 1. I think someone is from Mac, right? And then Chrome 3. So
Yes.
These are the more detailed information about device type. So all are desktop actually right now. And here app version, number of session compared to last week, bounce rate, and so many information you have. Look at this. All of my traffic has come from India. Look at this here. So complete information you have it. So you can basically using this, you can understand the behavior of your users, and that way you can have a better plan for it. So if you see that they're what they're doing, you want to see that a live replay, and you can see that what your users is doing. So look at this, you can play this recorded session. See that user has clicked on the about me, and after that he gone to skills. Actually that was me, I guess. And then after that he clicked on what, uh, experience, education. And after, are you understanding all this thing? Hello?
Oh, yes, Rajesh.
Yeah. So complete detail about your user activities you are having it, and you can have a better plan for it. So this is just a few minutes of things. You'll have to wait for it, and then lots of data will be generated automatically. So if you want to correlate this one you can do it with a Google Analytics. These services we are using from last so many years, and same thing you have it here. All the session details you have here. You have lots of great filters available. You can do that filters based on that in real time. Thousands and thousands of data will be there, so you need to have a filters available. So guys, this is a RUM, and using RUM you can track your real user and their activities and so on. Any questions so far?
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.